In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your hosting IP, or DNS IP, using Cloudflare. This process is straightforward but requires a bit of careful attention to ensure everything runs smoothly. Follow along with me and you'll have your DNS settings updated in no time. First, we'll need to dive right into your Cloudflare account. So go ahead, open up your browser, and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you want to find the specific domain, also known as the zone, that you need to update. Think of this like picking the project folder you want to work on. Once you've selected your domain, navigate to the DNS settings by clicking on DNS, usually on the top menu. From there, you'll see an option for records. This is where all your current DNS configurations reside. Give yourself a moment to digest the layout. Familiarity here can help avoid mistakes later on. Next, you need to identify which DNS record corresponds to your hosting server. Typically, this is either an A record for IPv4 addresses or an A record for IPv6, and it's often tied to the root domain signaled by an @ or perhaps a www subdomain. This is crucial because these records define how traffic is routed to your server. Once you identify the correct record, you'll notice an Edit button next to it. Go ahead and click that. Now it's time to update the IP field. You might see it labeled as Content. This is where you input the new server IP address that you wish to transition to. Carefully type in the new IP, double-checking for any missing digits or mistyped numbers. Once you're confident that everything looks perfect, hit Save. This update may take a moment to process, but it's key to ensuring your site points to the correct server. Next, let's talk a bit about proxy status. You'll notice two distinct options here, an orange cloud and a gray cloud. The orange cloud means your site is proxied, allowing Cloudflare to provide its protection services and ensure your site is cached. This is beneficial for performance and security. However, if your particular service needs to bypass Cloudflare, like for email or specific API services, you may choose the gray cloud, which indicates DNS only. Just remember, when you change this, it impacts how traffic reaches your server. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to changing your hosting IP in Cloudflare. Simple yet effective, following these instructions will help direct your traffic accurately and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial as seamless as your future DNS transitions will be.